What do you have to cut it home?
I don't know. Remember the last one we had to take it off?
No, there's a free hole there.
Oh, okay, that hole's already there, bro.
No, you can feel that. You just run your finger. Like, you feel it, right? Yeah. Just run your finger on it, and then you'll feel the actual hole. Oh yeah, you had it. You got it. One by one, eh? Side to side.
So that's the entire wiring harness right there, inside the steering. And there's a motor right there on the floor. I mean, not on the floor, sorry, but yeah.
Oh, we gotta transfer over the actual harness?
Yeah. And once we do that, everything's OEM. I did like half the job, bro. I did half and I'm like, okay, it's getting too deep now, I'm just gonna leave it.
Where's your clock spring, the other one, so I can show Josh what he's...
Clock spring?
The clock spring, the airbag. Oh yeah, it's on the actual...
Yeah. Yo, we don't need to take the heated function. All we need is the vibration module and the vibration motor. It's Beamer, bro. You know. They want you to suffer every time you try to fix shit. You try to do shit. Yeah, I have no idea why the fuck it's so slugged. What could it be? Yo, you just need me by your side, bro. It has majority of the harness. I think we only have to add in the motor.
That one, right?
Right, just the motor, not the whole harness. And that motor goes literally like right here. This little slot.
Yeah, okay. All right. Just like this. This one, blue wire, okay, the blue wire, the brown black.
Well, they color coded it the same?
Doesn't look like, but I have to open it. I have to open it and see what else is going in. The T20, right?
I'm pretty excited right now. Like, to have no errors is like my dream, you know? As a Beamer guy, like, to have no diagnostic errors is actually my dream. I have a service light on, but that's okay.
Service light? When are you gonna get a service light?
Today,
What do you need to do?
yo, just the oil change, yeah. I already paid for it in my extended warranty, so fuck.
Yes.
You have a lot for this one?
Yeah.
Is this one?
They're calling you on vertical. Uncle Lorraine.
Or 6 liters.
How much later were you than your brother?
Bro, my mom had a cesarean, right?
Yeah. He
So-
he came out first though?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why.
He got pulled out first.
That's such a jokes, bro. B2. That's such a good nickname too, bro. Sounds hard.
B2?
You know where you
Yeah.
got that from, right?
Yeah, because you're the second felon.
No. You know those the show for kids, like B1 and B2, like
No.
bananas and pajamas.
What the?
No? Okay,
Yeah.
that's another century that we're
They're talking about D2 from like Arthur.
D2 from Arthur?
No.
Yo,
I'll show
okay.
you.
This is like
Yeah, I'm older than you guys. How
is
old
this
are you? How
yo,
old are
bro,
you?
I'm like 26, bro. I ain't in your
Oh.
bracket. You're like 72. B2, wait, what is that before the Sesame Street and shit?
Oh man. Sesame's old, bro. I never had to watch that.
Sesame Street?
I never watched it.
You're lying.
I swear.
You didn't have TV back then.
I did, bro. I wasn't into that stuff though. You guys are like kind of soft nowadays. Yo.
You ever watch Looney Tunes?
Looney Tunes? I used to watch Bugs Bunny and stuff.
Bugs Bunny?
Only watch TV when someone was on the phone, you know, that type of shit. Can't use your phone and TV at the same time era.
Yo, Cam, where did this go?
Yo, wherever you want it to go, G. Wherever you want it to go, bro.
No, I'm serious, bro.
I have no
2
clue.
liter, 5.5.
This is the ground, right? It was supposed to go somewhere. It's supposed to go here, but this thing is so your aftermarket so big, bro.
Yeah, on the frame, right?
Yeah.
So, like, this is it right here. Why don't we just take that bracket? Like, we can't use that bracket instead here? Because there's none like that. Oh, it's right there, isn't it?
No, but this one's too big.
Shit.
What's your finger?
Oh, I was there? I'm retarded. I was on the left side. OEM fit mix?
Yeah.
OEM. Yo.
All right. Good to go, bro.
Let's fucking go, bro.
Where'd these balls come from, Ken? Bro, where'd you take that out? Is it from the other
That's
steering?
from the other steering, yeah.
Oh my god, you scared me, man.
And yo, I think
I'm just gonna take
is
one
this-
here.
Is this a hole over here? Why
Where-
is this flapping?
Bro,
Yeah,
the clip, yeah, it's glued on.
You got glue? Epoxy that shit. Yeah, I'm the only guy you see get $1,000 worth of shit just to make it pop out. I make the nicest Honda Civic. My Honda Civic. Oh, I got 3 laptops.
You have 3 laptops and what?
My Honda Civic. One for the VTEC, one for the tracks, and one for the YouTube vlogging. Would you get a Honda with a K-swap, or would you get a 540 with a B58 Stage 2
Depends.
Plus?
How many horsepower does this have, the Honda?
Yo, this 540 is touching around 550, 560 now, eh? Horsepower. It could be yours.
Right now?
Yeah, it could be yours, bro. You play too much. Shout out Twerk's Automotive.